Surviving the AI Bloom in Medical Coding, Tips and Tricks. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the field of medical coding, improving accuracy and efficiency in the process. But how can professionals stay competitive in an increasingly automated industry? Here are some tips and tricks to survive the AI bloom in medical coding. Stay up to date. First and foremost, it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI and machine learning. This may involve staying informed about new AI technologies and tools, and participating in training and education programs to develop the skills and knowledge needed to effectively use AI in the coding process. Understand the limitations. It's also important to understand the limitations of AI, and to be aware of the potential risks and challenges associated with its use. This may include issues related to bias in data, the potential for errors in the coding process, and the need to ensure the privacy and security of medical data. Embrace the change. Ultimately, the key to surviving the AI bloom in the medical coding industry is to embrace the change. By staying informed and up to date, and by developing the skills and knowledge needed to effectively use AI in the coding process, professionals can position themselves for success in the rapidly evolving world of medical coding. Stay competitive in the medical coding industry. By following these tips and tricks, professionals can stay competitive in the medical coding industry, and capitalize on the many benefits of AI and machine learning. Thank you for joining us for this video. If you liked it and want to see more, please hit the subscribe and like buttons to show your support.